Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angel here. What it do? And today, you guys, I have another unboxing. It was really impromptu, so if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright y'all, I apologize for my lighting going in and out, but like I said, this is a real quick unboxing. It was really impromptu, y'all. So let me tell you real quick story time. My Empire 34 in honey brown, I returned it, you guys. I returned it, not because I did not love that bag. I love it. I love the color. I love everything about it. However, I went to use it, y'all, and the straps will not stay up on my arm. I tried it with just like a t-shirt that I have on now, with a sweatshirt, with my coat. It will not stay up on my arm. And I can't walk around like this. You know what I'm saying? So I returned it, y'all. I returned it. But I really want a bag in that colorway. So up in the middle of the night, girl, 2, 3 in the morning, and I bought something. I ordered it from 24S, and it just came. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, so that's why I'm showing y'all this real quick. It just came like a couple hours ago, so let me show you what I got. Like I said, it is from Coach. Okay, y'all probably already know what this is, right? I ordered the Quilted Tabby 26 in honey brown. I love this color, y'all. I love this color. I have the maple one. I have the Big Mama, the 33. Yeah, those are my only quilted tabbies. Yeah. I love this color, y'all. My lighting. Y'all know the true color of this. Like, I love this. I love I love the color of this. But, and I don't want to keep something in my possession that I'm really not 100% sure of. You know what I think? I think it might be the size. I love the size of the 33 so much. If this color came in the 33, I would be all over it. But I don't know. It came wrapped beautifully. I don't know though, y'all, to keep or not to keep. Like, I love it. I'm not gonna even hold you. I'm really looking at the Empire 40 in the honey. I was looking at it in store when I bought my navy one, but I want a handbag. But I love, it's the color for me. Oh, do I need both? I don't know. I think because I'm not 100% sure, I might return it. But the color is stunning though, y'all. I absolutely love this. This one looks all dented in. I don't know if y'all can tell. Is that how it is? My other one is packed. Well, y'all got boxes. I got boxes everywhere. So, I don't know. I don't know. I might return this. Because I'm not, it's not because I don't think that it's beautiful. It's only because I'm not 100% sure about it. Because I can always buy it again if I change my mind. What do y'all think? I don't know. So anyway, you guys, like I said, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and show y'all what I've been buying in the middle of the night, girl. And so yeah. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Let me know down in the comments, keep or return, keep or return. I don't know. So thank you guys so very much for watching. I love y'all, and I will see you all in my next video.